What's up, guys? I'm going to do a quick little overview on this Olsa Tools socket holder. These are one of my favorite ways to organize sockets. I have this one over here. You can see I've been using it for a while. I'm actually going to replace that one with this one because I've added some more standard sockets, so I'd like to get those all in one tray and organize them better. That one, just for the socket sets I have, it just doesn't work well. I just need a bigger one. But regardless, I love this one because it's super slim, as you can see. So if like a height clearance is an issue with your toolbox, this is going to put it as low as possible. I also like that you can change all of the clips out very easily. If you want to add more or take some away, or if one breaks, and it has a solid metal base, so you can just pick it up and take it with you if you want to do that. And it has the ball detents. I like the ball detents better than the twist lock ones. I just think they're easier to use. But all the socket pegs are super sturdy and stout. Yeah, it's just a good socket tray. It's less bulky, it takes up less space, and as far as I'm concerned, the more compact a tray is, the better, because I mean, when it comes to toolbox real estate, that is expensive real estate. So you got to get something that is going to fit in there the best and not take up a ton of space like some of the bigger ones that are real spread out and stuff. So yeah, check this out. This is the Olsa Tools. This is the 80 sockets, I believe. Then they also do this one. As you can see here, there's a size comparison. It's quite a bit bigger. I forget how many this holds, like I think it's advertised as like a 40 to 50, somewhere in that range. But yeah, Olsa Tools, they make a lot of really great tool organization and tools. All right, I got this tray set up. As you can see, I got everything loaded on there real nice. Everything fit perfect, and there's more room too if I need to put other things. But as for right now, it's just the deep shallows, half, quarter, 3/8, all standard. But you can see just the two tray. This is also Tools as well, but these standard peg styles, I mean, you can see where this goes. Then there's 2 rows of that back there, so you get 4 rows, and it's like not even that much bigger. So you can see how many more sockets you can actually fit on there, and then you can just grab it and you can pick the whole thing up. This is kind of heavy to do with one hand, but boom, pick it up and go. One of the best organizers, in my opinion, out there, especially if you're wanting to take it with you if you got a mobile truck or something. It's perfect.